Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make healthy sprouts at your home. So this is the home sprouts, guys. So it took 2 days to get sprouted, and I lost this. I lost my weight after having this, guys. 5 to 10 kgs. I lost my weight. So yeah, so this is very healthy recipe. So I thought I can share with you. So here I have the sprouts, and here I took two tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, and here I have some onion, chopped onion, and here I have that pomegranate, the anar. So very healthy recipe, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all these things in this sprout. So here I added the chopped tomatoes, and now I'm going to add this chopped onion. You have to crush this one with your hand, guys. It gives a nice taste. It is like chaat, sprout chaat. And I'm adding this anar. Here I added 2 green chilies, guys. This is not that much spicy. If you want spicy, you can add more green chilies in your sprout. And here I'm adding some salt. Up to your taste, you can add the black salt also, which gives a nice taste in the sprout chaat. And in the end, I'm going to add the lime juice, guys. Here I'm adding this fresh lime juice, guys. If you eat this one bowl of sprout, guys, very healthy recipe, no oil, nothing. I'm going to mix all these things together. So here I added the coriander leaves, the fresh dhania, and if you want to add the mint leaves, you can add the mint leaves too. So you can mix with this your hand, guys. My hand is very clean, and so yeah, if you want to use gloves, you can use. So this is done, guys. So yeah, this is a quick video of how to make a sprout at your home, healthy sprout at your home without oil. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.